Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a card carousel and add it to a ClickFunnels website. Let's get started. The card carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the editor. Here, in the editor, you can edit the content. Select a layout and a skin. Customize the look and feel. And change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the widget to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the ClickFunnels editor. Please note, the widget's content will not show on ClickFunnels editor, but will only appear on the preview and on the published website. In the ClickFunnels editor, click on Add New Element wherever you want the widget to show. Then, find and click on the Custom HTML element at the bottom of the right panel. Now, click on the element on your page to enter the Custom HTML window. In the Custom HTML window, click the Open Code Editor button. Now, in the HTML code window that opens, simply paste the widget code you've copied before. Click the X at the right top corner of the window to close it. Click the Save button at the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. And that's it. Now, the card carousel will show on your website.